Okay, welcome back to the Directory Advantage Screencast. In this episode, we are going to create a blog post. This is our demo site. It's the Jamesport Kids Directory. And I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the blog so that we can just see an example of a existing blog post. Okay, here we are on the Jamesport Kids Directory blog, and as you see, we have several blog posts stacked here. The most recent one up at the top, it's called Super Deals Kids Eat Free. You'll see it's got a blog post title up at the top. It's then followed by the date it was posted, the author. It indicates whether there have been any comments. It says there is one comment, an image, and then the blog post content. Oops, right here. So we're going to create a new blog post, and in this blog post that we're going to create, we're going to do a post about one of our advertisers, the Funky Monkey, is having a fall sale, and so we're going to do a blog post about it, kind of try to help them out a little bit. So what we're going to do is go to our login screen of our control panel. In this case, it's demo.kidsdirectory.com/hello, and I'm going to log in with my username and password. And here we are at the control panel of the Jamesport Kids Directory. To create a new blog post, what we're going to do is hover over the Publish tab and go to Blog. And that will take us to the Publish page for a new blog post. Alright, here we are. This is our familiar Publish page for entries, in this case a blog post entry. And we're going to give this a name. I'm going to say it's the Fall Sale Funky Monkey Children's Clothing. Actually, I'm going to change this to the Funky Monkey Fall Sale. Alright. So the next thing we're going to do is upload an image that will be at the top of the post. And I have an image prepared. Keep in mind you don't want your images any wider than 450 pixels wide. I'm going to go ahead and browse to the fall sale image. Here it is. And I'm just going to call it Fall Sale. Give it a title right there. So that's ready to go. And then I've got some details about the sale that I can put in. Fall sale starts this Friday. And you can obviously put as much or as little content right here as you want. You can also add links in here, which is kind of a neat thing. For example, if you wanted to link to Funky Monkey's website, what you can do is highlight the text that you want linked, and then go up here to this link button in the bar up here, and it'll just ask you to put in the website. So we'll say funkymonkey.com. If I spelled that right. And we'll say OK. And now this text will be linked. It'll actually be a link when we publish our post. And I'm just going to go back to an example of a blog post just to remind you what we're doing here. We've got the title, the date, the image, and then some text. And so I'm going to add a little bit more text, placeholder text here, just to give you a better idea of what this is all about. Okay, So we finished our blog post here. There are a couple of things we can do if we want to. We can actually select the date that we want this blog post published. If we were to go ahead and submit this, it would be published instantly. But if we wanted to post date this, we could go ahead and write this post and then have it not appear until next week or something, which could be kind of convenient. You can also set an expiration date if you wanted the post to go away for some reason. I don't know really why you would. You really, I think, want to keep all your posts up forever. It's probably a good idea. And then comment expiration date. If you want to set the comment expirations at like a month after your post, that might be something you want to do. You are going to be moderating comments, so if a post is a year old, there's really no reason for people to still be commenting on it, really, especially if it's something about a sale or something. So you can actually set this. We'll go in here and we're going to set the comment expiration to November 30th. So after November 30th, no visitors can come in and read comments. They can still read the post, they just won't, and read the comments. They just won't be able to post new comments. Alright, and then we can set the status here. There's really only two statuses, open and closed. Open means this will show up on the site. Closed means that it won't be on the site. It'll just be in the database here. So we're just going to leave this on open. So that's it. We're all ready to go here, it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and submit this. I'm going to hit the submit button. And it's going to take it just a second to upload and save my stuff. And that's it. I'm going to go back over here to the blog. I'm going to refresh this page. And if all went well, my new post should be right here at the top. And there it is, the Funky Monkey Fall Sale. And we've got our image that I uploaded. And I've also got more text that I added underneath. And as you can see here, whoops, this very first text here is that link I created, and it just links. In this case, I had a link to the Funky Monkey website. Now you'll notice something here. We have a edit this button, and this just showed up here, and the reason it did is because we are logged in and we're looking at the site. As a publisher, if you are logged in and you are looking at the site, you will see this edit button all over the site, and it's just a little shortcut that allows you to easily navigate back inside the control panel to this particular entry so that you can go ahead and edit it. So let's say we read it and we've decided we left something out. We can just go to the edit this button, and here we are. We're back at the entry. You can see our image here, and maybe we wanted to take some of this text out. We can delete that and update it, and now our post is updated. So that's it. That's how you make a new blog post.